Okay, so the first tip is to know what you want. Figure out what you want out of your birth. Get educated. Like, for example, did you know that going into hospital to have your baby without having done much research ahead of time increases your chances of having intervention? I mean, some people like to go that route, but if you're hoping for a natural birth with minimal intervention, do your research. It doesn't mean you have to have a home birth, but figuring out what it is you want will help you figure out also how you might get it, what you can do ahead of time to increase your chances of having that kind of birth. Take a childbirth education class, read blog posts and articles, watch videos, listen to podcasts. Heck, you can even just scroll through social media posts. There's a lot of good information out there. Do yourself and your baby a favor. Get educated. Knowledge is power.